Cut Kit's hair yesterday.
I love you.
Do you know what I'm doing?
If it doesn't look right, you have to pay for him to get a haircut.
And we went and got it fixed up, but it's looking kind of weird, so.
Okay, then I'm done.
Not done yet. Gonna put some stuff in it real quick.
I just putting one tuff, and then I'll be done.
Then we'll be done right after I put this in your hair. Oh yeah, you're looking cool.
Okay, get me down.
Look at yourself. Oh yeah. Look at the camera. You like it? Oh yeah. Point at the camera and say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's Monday.
So if you solve for x,
I bought a
put that over
disposable
there.
camera.
Everything by -2, when you divide by -2 or negative and you have n. Can y'all do that without writing anything down?
Sorry.
You don't have to though. Everything is that.
Got my shots.
You can twirl it if you want to.
Alright, me and Dorf getting our morning coffee. French vanilla with French vanilla, classic. Oh, that's what I need to do. You haven't done that? Nah, I will always mix them up, but I'm getting French vanilla with the French vanilla. 1. 4 is good. 4 is a great. 4 is a good amount of cream.
3 sugars.
Where's my sugar? I'll just put in 1 sugar. It tastes a lot better than normal, I think.
Yeah, it does. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
It tastes amazing.
But we're a little late to class, but that's because the line was long. And it took a minute to make our coffee.
Hey Charlie,
Yeah.
you can video me.
Alright.
Hey guys,
Hey.
Matthew James Villanueva here. So I'm gonna show you this video.
Okay. There you are.
This is from a while ago.
Uh-huh.
I did that.
You did do that. Right now I'm showing Matt my unreleased video.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh really?
Look, there's you.
That's me.
And what? Aw. Oh, you're so close.
I know that I am so close.
You might be able to do it next game. Maybe. You think?
Yeah.
Maybe so.
So cool.
So cool. Yeah.
Take one.
Take 1.
Action.
Action.
So I played that taco game for the last 2 years. And
For the last 2 years?
yes,
You must
sir.
be good at it, aren't you?
Yeah. Day 60. Day 60.
Day 60. Wow.
Yeah. That's cool, Charlie.
It is cool.
Rank 28. Got achievements.
Oh, all your achievements? If you've been making tacos for 2 years, you're gonna have a lot of achievements, aren't you?
Yeah. 2017 to 2019. Okie dokie, buddy.
I'm making some beats in class right now. I might have just made the hardest beat I've ever made. Alright, I have my disposable camera once again. Gotta charge up the flashlight. You ready, Tammy?
God.
That's it. We won't see it for months.
Probably should have cut my hair. She's breaking up.
So how do you like your, how do you want your body to be in the picture? Like, what do you want to see?
Yeah, you probably do.
So bad.
That is bad.
The flash down like,
I mean, that's like one of the best pictures of me, right?
I was high shit.
Why are we going to this?
It's true. How was the day, Dorf?
It was good. Kind of a long day. Got out of school early still.
I accidentally stole Maddie's shirt, but I'm gonna wear it tomorrow to school and not give it back.
Samuel
Made a really good beat today. I'll give y'all a ride.
Dude, it smells like ass.
It smells good once I turn it on.
It smells like fish.
I don't know why, but it'll
Come
smell
on,
good.
Charlie, let's get it.
Goodbye, Dorf and Gammy. Right rear door ajar. All right. How was your day today?
He just woke up and he's a little snotty, so he's kind of not feeling up to snuff.
My little sister taught me how to do something the other day. And y'all might laugh at me for not knowing this earlier since I'm 17, but I now know how to fry an egg. Pan, put it on there. Flip this little thing to maybe like 6, maybe. Butter, and you just rub it. Something about sticky, right? I don't know. It's drippy. Ugh. I'm not a big fan of drippy butter. And we can't forget egg. Just wait. But you also need a spatula, which I don't have. I need to find one. I can't find a spatula. So this might mean it's done. I have this wood spoon thing. I don't know if I'm supposed to flip it yet. There we go. God, didn't flip. Woo! I flipped it. I'm putting the bagels in a toaster because I'm about to make a good bagel sandwich, egg, whatever. Here we go. Woo! Alright, look, we got the bagel. Woo! Put the cheese on turkey underneath egg. Yeah, that's how I want to do it. And I'm about to have a really good sandwich. The thing about this sandwich is that like the yolk pops. If my camera doesn't die, here's my first bite. That's the reason I don't have a shirt on, is because the yolk usually comes out. In this 1 second I have the camera on for before the battery goes out again. The sandwich is very good. Possibly as good, if not better, than yours, Swaz and Maeve, my sister and friend that make these for me. Thanks for teaching me. I like it a lot. Alright, during school I was saying, I just woke up from a nap. I made one of the most fire beats I've ever made. So, let's check it out. I need to hydrate first. Let's hear it. I made this in my earbuds, so it might not sound that great at the moment. That sounded pretty bad. That is because I was using my earbuds. Where are we going?
Popeyes.
We're going to KFC.
We're gonna go to Popeyes to eat the new chicken sandwich.
Stop. Why do you have a sock in your
James Charles? It's not better than Chick-fil-A. Hey, did you see what Chick-fil-A tweeted? It was a bucket of like fried chicken in it. It was like making fun of Popeyes. It was like game 2 or something. Yeah.
Everywhere's out of the chicken sandwich, so we gotta go find somewhere with the chicken sandwich. So hopefully we can find it.
is out.
All right, we're at Popeyes. There's a lot of people here. No. My shoes. I've been looking for this. Where'd you find them?
Options. Tell me where your shoes. Dorf does not bite his nails anymore, and he got a chop.
Surprisingly, they did have the chicken sandwiches.
His hungry ass got mashed potatoes. No, but let me get a bite of your mashed potatoes though. You should have got a biscuit. It's $1 extra, and you could have dipped it in mashed potatoes. No, we should get ranch.
God, okay, if y'all wanted to wait in line with me instead of sitting over here and not wanting to wait in line with me and having me also pay for y'all's food, y'all could have been more choosy. Beggars can't choose.
Don't forget to little bite of mashed potatoes. Man, let's get
that beeping noise. I can't stand that beeping noise. Why does it keep happening?
Here you go to the.
Yeah, so we're at Zaxby's, trying out that new sandwich. We made Charlie wait in line.
You didn't know we're at Popeyes. You said Zaxby's. Did you mean to say that?
We're Popeyes. Oh my god. Yeah, we're Popeyes. We're getting the new sandwich.
Dorf's on his phone, like, we're having an excited time.
An excited time.
Whoa, it's upside down.
That noise. So we just got word that the sandwiches have been...
No, they've been out for 4 months. They've been out.
He got one a month and a half ago. Nobody's known about it. They've been out for like 4 months.
32. Alright. We're all about to share this sandwich.
And Dorf's about to eat the mashed potatoes.
No, I mean, I'm just taking a bite. He's taking pictures to post it.
Dude, no one gives a f about your Popeye sandwich, to be honest. The mayonnaise is so good.
Alright, here we are.
Here we are. Lil Dorf is on the scene at Popeyes 2019. Alex Marsh is also here, and we have Seth McKay in the back, aka Corbin.
First bite, I don't like pickles.
And we're about to, just like Corbin Blue would do, we're about to jump into the sandwich. We're gonna call second bite. I got the Wednesdays. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays.
I like mayonnaise, bro.
I don't like mayonnaise either, but that was good.
We don't pass blunts, we pass sandwiches.
Alright, Seth. It's nice.
We're taking turns at this point.
No, I'm hungry. Like, I bought this meal.
You literally paid for everything, and people were like, we're taking turns, right?
Dude, that with Chick-fil-A sauce would be incredible.
You can't combine both.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, you can, bro.
Like in Adidas, I don't know if it's better than Chick-fil-A, but it's a different taste. Someone eat the mayonnaise pickle.
I'm not gonna eat a fish. It kind of looks like a cucumber more than a pickle.
I thought it was a cucumber. I was confused.
They probably ran out of pickles and started using cucumbers.
Try it. Pickle or cucumber?
It's a cucumber. Both are great sandwiches, okay? But one has better packaging than the other, and one of them's slightly better taste because we're used to the other one. So Popeyes is Apple, Chick-fil-A is Android.
I really think it's the other way.
No, because Popeyes has better packaging
Chick-fil-A is better
than
packaging.
Android. No, cat, because
Chick-fil-A's
Popeyes has a little wrap around the burger, and it's in the fold. Chick-fil-A just straight out the package, same every time.
Neither of them sell burgers.
Doesn't have a burger yet.
Every time I eat Chick-fil-A at this point, I want to throw up because it's greasy and I'm used to the taste. Popeyes is a new taste.
You can walk
and it's
home.
kind of nice. You know what I mean? No, he's like butthurt. He's doing Chick-fil-A, dude. Don't disrespect Fred Brown like that.
Who's Fred Brown?
Fred Smith is FedEx. That's why you thought Fred.
He's reading my mind.
What's our opinions?
Oh my god.
My opinion.
My opinion is this bright light needs to get out of my face. Let me answer the question. I think Popeyes is better. I just think it's a new taste. It's juicier. You
That's
know?
what I like to hear, Alex. Good opinion. Good opinion. Really good opinion.
And the mayonnaise and the sandwich really
Look at my
complements
teeth,
it.
Charlie.
Mayonnaise was good.
With the light.
No, dude.
It may not be too bright because the mayonnaise. I've been using 3D white strips and I've been brushing my teeth 3 times a day.
Maybe if you get mayonnaise and put it on a Chick-fil-A sandwich, it'll be the same. But I don't know. The Chick-fil-A sandwich is like more like
no, it's not, because I put mayonnaise on a Chick-fil-A sandwich and it's not the same taste. Chick-fil-A is for sure greasier. Fun fact.
For sure better.
It's like
Nah, Seth
is
you're just biased because you're an employee.
no. Look, the texture on the Popeye sandwiches. I like the texture better. Like right when it hits your tongue and your teeth.
No, that's fact. See, the texture of the fried crisp.
It was a
Popeye
nice crisp.
sandwich is a
It was more. No, the Chick-fil-A one has more of like crispy chunks. Like there's chunks of crisp that hang on the outside like dingleberries.
Maybe
yes.
But the Popeyes is consistent fried texture.
Yeah.
I got something for that.
What?
Hey, he got some for that.
Alright, so you know on the Chick-fil-A sandwich there's some stuff on the edges, right? Cut it off with a knife and now you got a nugget.
Okay, so that's just
now you got a
extra.
nugget.
No, the crispy, just the crispy chunks that are just
Charlie,
crisp.
let me tell you
No,
this.
that's very rare.
This is
Yeah,
bread.
it's like
bread
heavy when
is
you
on
find
the bread.
it.
Charlie, where do I go?
I'm not trying to be
Right that
inappropriate.
way.
I am not trying to be inappropriate, but I feel like when Seth chokes his chicken, he uses Chick-fil-A sauce.
Says what?
I bring Chick-fil-A sauce home.
I said when he chokes his chicken, he uses Chick-fil-A.
What do you mean chokes chicken?
Because I didn't want to use his meat.
I'm putting that one in the vlog.
You're saying instead of lotion,
Yeah.
he uses Chick-fil-A.
Okay, chill.
You didn't get it
I
either.
didn't get it.
Just bring me a tub of Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh my god.
Did he say his mother? He just said my mother.
Brother.
That's still weird.
Brother, like, oh, I got to, maybe Seth will want
Gavin
these.
walks in, he's like, Dad.
A whole
Don't
tub.
put that. Don't put that.
No, put it in, put it in.
For real, you always try to make
Put
me
this whole
look like a-
conversation.
I don't make you look like that.
Charlie,
You make yourself look
Bullshit,
like.
you just made up this whole
Listen.
story about me.
Seth
eating
did
all
that.
Chick-fil-A sauce. nigga.
This is the most natural conversation you're ever gonna have in your vlog. Like, we're just talking. We're not doing it for the camera. Just put it in.
Charlie. After all this arguing, I look over and they're staring at me, and then I just waved, and then they waved back. It's really weird. Peace.
We love Memphis. Look at that. If they want heat, we been beat like a stove. And they got chop on him, let the hoe blow. Pull up in a new Maserati. Walk inside the club now, all these jock. Ever since high school, me and Dorf been popping.
He's reciting his verse.
He's reciting White Sosa's verse and
like
his song wrong.
Wait, how's it go? Oh, no.
got the drip on the
Hey,
oil.
I'm gonna pull up and, hey.
There it goes.
Hey, Dorf in it, say the words, yeah.
Whoa. I just got Dorf on my lip. Pour me a drink, take a sip. I just
pulled up in the wheel. That 4, yeah, it be from 06. If you want beef, grab the sticks.
Alright, Mr. Dorf.
Yeah, but I don't know work. Like I'm Matt, ayy.
That sounds like that ski mask type bass.
Okay. Baby, don't hurt me. Okay, baby, don't hurt me. H on my waist, but that just about to hurt me. Okay, baby, like hurt me. I pull up on your bitch and I zombie walk like Thriller. I pull up with a chopper, you know I got your mama. I pull up on your bitch and I bomb her like Osama. Hold up, hey, taking these pics on the DS, baby, don't give me no BS, shipping out his UPS, baby, I'm out of like Seacrest, always in the cloud, never be stressed, and if I fail the game, gotta reset, Tony, was that hard?
Well, let's see in 2 seconds.
Was that hard, Alex? Pics on the DS, baby, don't give me no BS, shipping out his UPS, baby, I'm out of like Seacrest, always in the cloud, never be stressed, and if I fail the game, gotta reset, Hey, new Nintendo cost me about a rack. Hey, like I'm Matt Kermit, Matt Kermit, Matt Kermit, Matt Kermit, Matt Kermit, Matt.